How to install the above the refrigerator cabinet. Make sure to collect all required kitchen components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Step 1. New Age Products side panels were designed for a fast and easy installation. Base cabinet side panels are not meant to be cut to size. Instead, they are designed with small adjustable leveling legs to work with any potential slope in your floors. Unbox your above the refrigerator cabinet and place it on its back. Step 2. Align the top of your side panels with the top of your above the refrigerator cabinet. Remove the protective corner packaging and protective film prior to installing the side panel. Make sure the side panel is flush with the top and back of the cabinet. This will ensure a seamless and flush installation. Step 3. Once flush, temporarily clamp the side panel to the fridge cabinets using C-clamps. The clamps will help keep your cabinet and side panel aligned during installation. The side panel should protrude 7/8 of an inch out from the front of your cabinet. Repeat for both side panels. Step 4. From the interior of the cabinet, drill 4 pilot holes 1.5 inches from the edge of the corner of the cabinet. Make sure not to drill through the side panel. Repeat steps for opposite side panel. Step 5. Attach the side panel using the provided wood screws. Again, make sure not to drill through the side panel. Repeat for all remaining wood screws until both side panels are secure. Step 6. Remove your C-clamps and you are ready to install your above the refrigerator cabinet. Step 7. Using 2 people to lift, place the above the fridge cabinet into place. Make sure the cabinet is flush with the wall and any adjacent cabinets. Step 8. Level the cabinets by adjusting the 4 leveling legs at the base of the cabinet. Shim the back of the cabinet if necessary. Make sure your cabinet is installed to allow for enough clearance to slide your refrigerator into place. Step 9. Once the cabinet is level, along each wall stud, drill 2 3/4 inch pilot holes in the back of the cabinet. Pilot holes should be 1.5 inches from the top and bottom of the cabinet. Attach the cabinet to the wall using the provided number 8 by 25 mm lag screws.